Dear students, I am Professor V.R. Sheelwant, Electrical and Electronics Engineering Department, SDM College of Engineering and Technology, Dharwad, Karnataka. In this video lecture, you are going to learn the construction and working of Buchholz relay. Buchholz relay is used to protect the transformer against the incipient faults. An incipient fault means a fault which is not so severe in the beginning but may develop into a severe fault later. For example, the fault between the transformer winding and the core, or the inter-turn fault in the transformer winding. Buchholz relay is connected between the transformer and its conservator. Buchholz relay has vane and float with associated contacts. When an incipient fault occurs in the transformer oil temperature starts to increase. Around 300 degrees Celsius temperature, the gases start to evolve, due to which the pressure in the transformer tank increases, causing transformer oil to rush into conservator. The vane placed in the path of oil moves backward because of the pressure of oil on it, and the associated contact get closed. Once the contact get closed, a trip signal is issued to circuit breaker. If oil in the transformer tank decreases due to leakage, then oil from conservator will flow into the transformer. Also, oil from Buchholz relay will move into the transformer. This causes the float to move down and the associated contact to close. Once the associated contact closes, then the alarm starts to blow. The float contact will not issue trip signal to the circuit breaker. A reason for this is immediate turning off of the transformer is not required if there is decrease in the oil level of transformer. The gases evolved during incipient fault are the signature for different types of incipient faults. If these gases are collected and analyzed, then we may come to know what type of fault has occurred in a transformer. The presence of hydrogen and ethane gas indicates that there is arcing in oil between constructional parts of transformer. Presence of hydrogen, ethane and methane gas indicates that there is arcing with some deterioration of phenolic insulation. Example, fault in tap changer. Presence of hydrogen, methane and ethene gas indicates that there is hot spot in core joint, and presence of hydrogen, methane, carbon dioxide and propene indicate that there is hot spot in winding.